again, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use some of this modeling paste, and what we're going to use it for is to add some texture to our artwork. So you can do this on any surface. I'm just using some tag board right now so you can see it, but you could actually put this on any paper that I have out on the tables for you. So if you want to use the black paper that I have out, if you want to use the canvas board or the thicker quality paper that I have for you to start your practice painting, it'll work on any of these. And we're going to scoop out with the tip of a spoon just a small amount. If you don't want to get it on your hands, you could always use a brush. And then we're going to just do some experimenting with this modeling paste. A little bit is going to go a long way, and since we're just experimenting, you don't really need to use a whole lot. So I'm going to just spread it out, just like if I was frosting a cupcake. So I think I'll put on sort of a round shape. I'm just going to spread it out. Depends on how thick you want your texture, so I'm not going to spread it out too much more. Okay. Now you can use any tool to scratch back into the surface to really create some cool patterns. We're just using some simple found objects that I have in a box for you at the supply table, just the plastic utensils. You see I use the spoon to get a little of the modeling paste out, but the knife has this serrated edge which we can drag across the surface for a really interesting texture. Whatever's left over, just wipe it right back into the jar. Another tool that we can use, here I'm going to put some of this back, a little bit more, put some of it on there. Another thing you might want to try on the surface, you could actually put a few areas for you to experiment. If you don't want to just keep erasing and redoing, you can create a few areas of the paste medium so that you can experiment with it. I might also try the fork. So I can drag the fork tines through the modeling paste. I can also create some patterns with it. Now this is going to dry after several hours, and we're going to be able to paint right on top of it, and you'll still be able to not only feel the texture, but you'll be able to probably even see it from farther away when someone looks at your painting. So we're just going to be experimenting with the modeling paste and thinking about how in the future we might want to use this paste in not only our abstract paintings, but maybe even some of our landscapes, our realistic paintings that we're going to be working on. I think you're going to like this stuff.